today we are making our famous homemade Rice Krispie treats. What's first?
Whole stick of butter.
Whole stick of butter.
You put it in
Plop
and then
it
go ahead and melt that over some heat.
Okay, once the butter is melted down, we need a full half cup of peanut butter.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna scoop that in.
Okay, now we want to melt this peanut butter down.
Yeah. Now, while he's stirring that, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is very important. If it's missing, it does not have the same taste. We have measured out 7 cups of marshmallows.
7 cups. Get it, dump it in. Yeah, just want to keep mixing that around till it melts. Alright.
Next, we have plain Rice Krispies, 6 cups.
6 cups.
Yep, so here it goes.
6 cups of Rice Krispies.
Yeah, and I add them gradually while he stirs. This part, I don't really give an exact measurement for because you just add it till, you know, what you like. Okay, then the next thing we're gonna do is put it in a pan. Okay, here we go, we're pouring it in a pan. Just so you know, I put parchment paper down. There you go. And then you just kind of flatten it. Try to make it as even as you can.
Run it down on all the edges here. Alright guys, this is the finished product. I mean, this looks incredible. They're really good, warm still. You know, they break apart, but otherwise, yeah, let them cool down, cut them up into squares, and I would suggest put them in Ziploc bags. Don't put them in anything where the air is gonna leak because they will be hard as a brick.